Morning. A very quiet morning in the Black Forest. As you can see, there's absolutely nobody around. I can just walk on the road. It's crazy. Yeah, I mean, if you come from that side, there's only one hotel, and that is pretty much the only place where people can drive now on this road because there's road work going on. And this morning, weekday, there's not much going on. Actually, nothing at all. I can just stand in the middle of the road. Normally this is like a pretty well-known, well-driven road, but not today, which is pretty cool because I just had like the most amazing drive I ever did here. It's crazy, like I'm standing in the middle of the road. There's absolutely nobody. No noise, nothing. It's crazy, it's crazy, I love it. I'm gonna go get a coffee now, done with driving, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in the future on this channel on the next video. If you like the video, consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos like this on the channel, and yeah, take care, bye bye.